Everywhere you look in the news at the moment, AI is replacing humans in, well, everything. Self-driving cars, coffee-making robot baristas, even high-end art with websites like DALL-E. Let's see what it can do with this prompt. That's not so good. Will robots replace teachers in the classroom anytime soon? AI might be good at things like translation, grammar correction, and vocabulary. But can they teach English pronunciation? To answer this question, we need to have a fight. Who will win this intonation teaching pronunciation smackdown?
Prepare to lose, human teaching scum.
Huh?
Hi, I'm Damien, and in the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers.
Hey, wait a minute, that's my line. I'm Damien, and I'm the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. See? Way better. In this episode, we're going to find out who is the better teacher, me or the AI. Also, you're going to learn a lot about intonation and connected speech in English. Hidden in the top corner of Adrian Underhill's phonemic chart are two arrows. These arrows represent intonation. These arrows can be important because it's often not what you say, but how you say it. Over to you, AI teacher.
The way you say something, using gestures, facial movement, voice quality and intonation can give sentences or expressions different meanings. For example, "It's the end of English class" can carry multiple meanings depending on how you say it. It's the end of English class. It's the end of English class.
All right. I'm going to have to step in here. You might be able to drive a car, make a coffee, and draw fine art, but you still can't teach intonation. I'm going to give you a voiceover. It's the end of English class. It's the end of English class. It's the end of English class. Oh, that's so much better. Such a lovely voice. Want some more practice listening for different intonation patterns? Then try Play Phrase Me.
God, it's 8 o'clock.
Oh, look at that. It's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock. She's not here.
And the winner of round one is the human teacher. Thank you very much. Sentence type and intonation are sometimes linked. The following sentence types are connected to intonation patterns. Were questions falling. Why did you shoot the student with your laser?
Why did you shoot the student with your laser?
Declarative, falling. They didn't speak in English.
They didn't speak in English.
Yes, no questions. Rising. Did you do your homework?
Did you do your homework?
Imperative, falling. Stand against the wall.
Stand against the wall.
Exclamation, falling. No!
No.
I think this intonation challenge is still being won by me. In your face, AI. You're not taking my job yet. If you're enjoying this video, then make sure you sledgehammer that subscribe and like button to continue on this language learning journey with me. Rhymes and lyrics are a good way to learn about connected speech, stress, and intonation. Let's use Humpty Dumpty. You know that fat egg that fell off a wall? As English is a stress-timed language, there are stressed and unstressed syllables. We'll use red for stressed and white for unstressed. Take it away, robot teacher.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Okay, pretty good that time, AI. I'll give you a tie on that one. Who was the winner? I think it was me. But if you disagree, leave a comment below.
I disagree. I'll be back. And I'm going to take your teaching job.
In this episode, we touched on stress, But if you want to find out a whole lot more about this important part of the English pronunciation system, then watch this video. And remember, start taking your English mask off today. See you later.